What's up everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're retaking a trip to the sunny shores of Trinidad and Tobago to make one of its most iconic street foods, the legendary doubles. If you've never had doubles, you are in for a serious treat. We're talking soft, fluffy fried bread called bara, piled high with a savory and aromatic chickpea curry known as channa. It's tasty, it's filling, and it's bursting with that unmistakable island flavor. This recipe is going to bring a little piece of Trinidad right into your home. So, are you ready? Let's get cooking. First things first, let's talk about our bara. This is the heart of our doubles. In this bowl, I've got all-purpose flour, a little bit of baking powder, some yeast for that beautiful rise, a pinch of salt, sugar, and the magic ingredient, turmeric, or, as we say in Trinidad, saffron. That's what gives it that beautiful golden color. I am going to gradually add some lukewarm water and mix it all together until we get a soft, slightly sticky dough. You don't want to over-knead it. Just bring it together until it's smooth. Now, we cover this with a damp cloth and let it rest for about an hour. This is where the magic happens, letting the dough rise and get all airy. While our dough is resting, let's get started on the star of the show, the chutney. This is where all that incredible savory flavor comes from. I'm starting with some pre-cooked chickpeas. You can use canned. Just make sure to rinse them well. In a hot pot with a little oil, I'm going to saute some finely chopped onions, garlic, and pimento peppers. Now, let's add our spices. We've got culantro, or bandanilla, which is essential for that authentic taste. Some roasted ground cumin, also known as gira, more turmeric, and a little bit of emker masala for that tangy kick. We'll toast these spices for a minute until they're super fragrant. The smell in here right now is just incredible. Now, let's add our chickpeas to the pot. Give everything a good stir to make sure each chickpea is coated in those beautiful spices. We'll pour in some water, just enough to cover the chickpeas, and a little salt and black pepper to taste. We're going to let this simmer on low heat. We want the tuna to be soft, but not mushy, and the sauce to thicken up nicely. The goal is a stew-like consistency that will perfectly hug our bara. Let it bubble away and get happy. Trust me, the patience will pay off big time. This isn't just a dish. It's a feeling, a memory of liming on the island. Okay, our dough has risen beautifully. Look at that. It's so soft and puffy. I'll just punk it down gently and divide it into small, golf ball-sized pieces. On a lightly oiled surface, we're going to flatten each ball into a thin, round disc. These are our bara. Now, it's time to fry. Heat some oil in a pan over medium-high heat. You'll know it's ready when a small piece of dough sizzles and floats. Carefully place a bara into the hot oil. It only takes a few seconds on each side. Watch it puff up like a little pillow. Once it's golden brown, take it out and place it on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. Look how light and fluffy they are. The moment we've all been waiting for assembly time. This is how you build the perfect double. You take 2 pieces of that warm, fluffy bara. That's why it's called doubles. Then, you spoon a generous amount of our savory channa right in the middle. But we're not done yet. The toppings are key. We have some finely chopped cucumber, a little more cilantro, and of course some pepper sauce for those who like it hot. And there you have it. A perfect homemade Trinidadian. The combination of the soft bread, the savory chickpeas, and the fresh toppings is just out of this world. It's a true taste of paradise. Thank you so much for joining me on this culinary trip to Trinidad. I hope you give this doubles recipe a try and bring that amazing island flavor into your own kitchen. Let me know in the comments how yours turns out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.